Levi here with another unexpectedly random life hack quick tip. Okay guys, I've got a few microwaves here I've accumulated, but I want to get inside so I can pull out the components. There's a nice high voltage transformer in there that we can tear down and use to make a welder or some other fun projects. There's also a high voltage capacitor in there, as well as some other motors, the turntable motor and a nice fan motor in there. But what I've run into on this one, as you can see, I've already got one side started to pull off. I've pulled most of the screws out of the bottom that I can see. These ones are mounting screws for the transformer. I don't want it to fall off yet, so I left them on there. But the problem I've run into is this microwave has a security screw holding the case on. It's a little like hex screw, but it's got a pin in the middle. And I do have a kit that has those security screw bits on it, so I could go in and get that out. But what fun is that? So I'm going to show you a little disassembly life hack here. So I've tried with my Phillips screwdriver and I can't get it in there to loosen them up. And I've tried with my standard screwdriver and it's not going to help. A pair of pliers might work. You could use pliers for it. But I've got my brand new hacksaw here. And if you just line it up on the top here and drag it back and forth a couple times. I'm gonna set this down. So if you line it up on top, like so, somewhere in the middle, let's refocus this, there you go, somewhere in the middle, and then you drag it back and forth a few times, you'll get a little bit of a groove started on the head. I'm not sure if you can see that there. There's a little bit of a notch there on top. So once you get that groove started, take your hacksaw. So you saw on it a few more times until you get a nice notch in it. You don't want to saw all the way through, because if you run out of material on the screw head, you won't be able to unscrew it. Then you take a standard screwdriver like this one. And there we go. And there you have it. Got enough of a notch in it that I can get a hold of it and turn it. And once you get it loose, grab a hold of it and just unscrew it. Just like that, you've turned a security screw into a standard screw, so it can be removed with any standard screwdriver.